What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Copart walk around. I am out here in the Copart kingdom of Las Vegas. I am out here today amidst probably 30,000 or more vehicles, and today with my one trendy Apple AirPod, we're going to go through and take a look at, I think, some pretty good deals and some pretty good vehicles. So without further ado, let's get into it, and then we'll get into the live auction. Stay tuned. All right, guys, first things first, look at this. The truck has 949 miles. It is a brand new, basically, Ford Ranger XLT. Now, if I told you what it was going for, you'd call me a damn lie, but it's true. Now, here's the thing. This is the entire damage on the truck. That door, a little bit of the rear back there, which I know could be a pain to fix, right? This other door, and a fender. Like, you could probably save this headlight. You could probably even save this bumper and get this back together. I mean, I don't even know if you could save this piece of plastic if you buffed it out and painted it. I think this is not that serious of a repair. Now, I know you're going to say, well, TK, there's stuff under the doors. You need to open the doors and see if there's any damage under the door, TK. Yeah, I see this, all right? Is that super concerning to me? Nah, you know what I would literally do? I would hammer that. I would hit that with a hammer. I'm not even tripping about that dent right there. This one right here, I'm not even tripping about that. Like, if it was just going to be a daily driver for me, just a pickup truck, I wouldn't care. I legit, the bed is fine. Buff that out. You're going to spray this side anyway, right? Call it a day. Oh, is that an alternator or something missing? I didn't see that. I wonder if that came from the other vehicle. And, you know, the suspension's a little tweaked up here, and you're probably going to have some suspension work. But again, this is a brand new Ford Ranger. You know, it's brand new. 949 miles. Let's check and make sure that that's actually valid. Climb up here into this brand new Ford Ranger. And yeah, it is. Let's see if she starts. Does she have an actual key? She does. Man, I haven't heard that ding since my Mustang. Fire right up. Fire right up. You'd have to do some work, but if you were looking for a brand new, like a work truck, like, you know, a light work truck, obviously, something to pull, like maybe some landscaping gear or a pool service or something, you could get cheap body work done to that side, fix that up, fix the suspension, and probably pay half of what retail would be on this. So let's see if she goes into gear. Yep, big old camera works. Yeah. Rear parking aid. This is what's up. Look, it's still got a full tank of gas. 949 miles. I mean, somebody probably hasn't even sat in them back seats yet, man. This is crazy. It's brand new. It even has that new car smell, you know what I'm talking about? Which is awesome. It's much better than a Badussi smell in the car, you know? Look, it's got trailer mode. All right, so you can tow with it. Auto off on, you can turn off. And then you can lock the rear diff, huh? Huh. Cool. Weird, but all right. I don't know, man. What do you guys think about this one? I think this is a hell of a deal, personally. I think someone's going to get a hell of a deal, especially because in pre-bids right now, which I know you're going to say there's no way this vehicle goes for that. But again, Nevada is having issues. They were having issues with getting titles done. So, you know, people that are buying here locally, the people that are going to bid on this car and get it for low are going to bid it from out of town. Guaranteed. And right now, this thing is at $250. It's brand new. Do you think it's going to stay there? Hell no. But look at that, man. A brand new brand new Ford truck. I don't think it gets better than that. That's just me though. That's crazy. Well, let's go on to the next one. All right, let's see if we can find some more goodies out here. Oh man. I really want to find, and I couldn't find it yesterday. I really want to find that i8. That's what I really want to find. But it may be gone already. You know, a lot of stuff, you'd be surprised, especially when it comes to the exotics. That's why I'm surprised the Lamborghini is still here. You know, when it comes to that stuff, it's gone pretty quick. Oh my God, can anybody identify? I know what that is, but can y'all identify what it is? Hold on. Oh, I was wrong. I had no idea what that was. Ooh, I thought that was a Camry, but it's not. Oh my God. Can you say it with me? Say it with me. Smashed. That is a wrap. That's some carnage for you right there. Woo. How about a luxury van? They got these, I bet it's not luxury. It's probably just a transporter, right? Yo. And this is for MGM. They probably, they put buff. That's what I would say too. Buff. You hit that really hard. All right. Damage to the A-pillar, it says. Yeah, it's just a regular little, let me pick you up from the airport van. Nothing special. Oh well, let's keep it going. See what else we can find. Da, 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 da. All right. Oh, we got a Navi out here. Woo! You know, sometimes y'all be taking stuff too seriously, like the Limp Bizkit song, Rolling. Y'all was taking that a little too serious, I think, man. That thing was on fire, too. It was a diesel. Ooh. Now that looks like it came from Whistling Diesel's farm. I'm done. All right. F-16's up there in the air, putting on a show. And I know you're going to say, well, what about that? You walk right by that navigator, or you walk right. I'm trying to find something that's not too smashed so that we can try to look at some vehicles like you could look at and then follow the progress of and then see what they sell for. So you can see like the process of buying stuff out here. I mean, yeah, people do buy super smashed stuff, but that's not me. You know, I don't normally buy super wrecked vehicles. Normally. Damn, that Honda Accord, that's an old school Accord too. Oh, that didn't go well. Oh. Hey, look at this. It's a Roush F-150? Okay, I don't know if that means it's special. A Roush F-150, or did you just put that on there? Huh. Interesting. Does that mean it's got balls under the hood? Oh, it ain't got nothing under the hood with the door smashed like that. Oof. Yeah, it's done. No, maybe not. It might just be the door, but ouch. I mean, I know they make Roush trucks now, but I mean, I've seen them before, but this one doesn't really look all... It says XL Triton, so does it have like a V10? Is that why it's a Roush? I don't know. Interesting. See, man, y'all in these Jeeps, man. You think because it says Jeep on the hood, you can take it off-roading and stuff, and oh my God. That was a glancing blow. Whatever it was that hit the side of this right here. Jeez. Whew. Say it with me. Smash. And right behind that, we got Toasty. Man. All right. Oof. Oof. Let's try and go back down this way. See if we can find something else. Damn. Damn. Damn, son. Yeah, for real, right? Oh, what's up with this Escalade? Looking all pretty over here from the back. You know, we're going to get to the front and she's going to be busted. Oh, 78,000. Yeah. 78,000 miles and say it with me. Smashed. It's not terrible, though. It's fixable. For real. For real, for real. Replace that fender, replace the hood. You got to replace all the plastics and crap in the front. But yeah. Yeah, you could probably, oh no. Maybe it could get put back on the road. Maybe. One of these headlights is good. You need the other one, though. And them joints is expensive. Boy, are they expensive. All right. I really want to find that damn I-8, man. Oh, we're still walking, guys. I didn't want to put a ton of walking video in on y'all, but looking through here, see what we can find. Oh boy. I'm not seeing anything that's instilling confidence right now. I'm trying to find interesting stuff, you know? Stuff that would be cool. But, you know. Hey, there's a Camaro. See, I can't tell you to take a drink every time we see a Camaro, though. That's the thing. Because they're not out here like that. But the Mustangs, they're definitely out here like that. They're definitely out here. Oh, look at this 300. Let's see what's up with this. Let's see what kind of 300 it is. It's an SRT8. I'm liking what I'm seeing. An SRT8 Chrysler 300. There we go. There's no coolant system, basically. But everything else is here. Huh. Says it runs and drives. I don't know. How's your confidence on this thing driving with no radiator, huh, guys? Oof. That would be the core support. Chilling inside the car. And the whole bumper and stuff. Let me see if I can lightly squeeze in here. Does this have a red key? Stop playing. Yo, man. Okay. Has anybody ever seen a red key with a Chrysler 300? I've never seen that. I swear to God, I've never seen a red key. That is an actual red key. Okay. Interesting. Let's see if she starts. Can't let her run, obviously. Yeah, it runs. So that's a benefit. I just wanted to see if she'd turn over and fire up. We're not going to let her run without a coolant system. That's a no-no. But I guess I can let her run for a couple seconds. Charge the battery a second. Oil temp, yeah. That's the other thing too. It does. I saw the oil cooler on the front. But see, I just want to see if it turned over. That'll keep the battery from dying though. But that's crazy. It's got the Brembo brakes. Yeah, but see, yeah. That would be a negative. With the lines and stuff busted. Yeah. So, I think that's it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this SRT8 in the comments down below. Now, I know you guys are not a super fan of these Land Rover Discoveries. I understand, I get it, but these are super fun, man. These were like great little cars, trucks, SUVs, whatever you want to call them. They just took a beating. I mean, yes, they required maintenance. Yes, they can be expensive to fix, but God, man, they were just great. Oh, wow. They duct taped the windows. Okay. So, uh-oh. Ugh. Okay. Sealed by Badussy. And it stays that way. Oh. Oh. Give me a second here. Oh. Oh. Crap. Whew. That legit might be the worst smelling vehicle I think I've ever opened. It was like rotten eggs. And, whew. All right. I'm good. Whew. You know, the door was like super hard to open and it was like, Badussy. No, man. Oh my God. Whew. 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 Wow, that was nasty. Oof. All right, let's get back to something nice. How about an FJ Cruiser, huh? How about an FJ Cruiser? Now, I love these little things, man. I think Toyota really had something going. This was kind of like a big Jeep / Hummer competitor, right? And it was great. Like the headroom. This has got to be one of the best headroom vehicles ever, right? Look how clean this damn thing looks, man. It's still got armor all in the friggin' tires. I wonder why it's here. That's a dealer sent it here. Because there's something wrong with it. I'll have to see who the seller is here in a second. 151,000 miles. Let's see who sent it here. Doesn't say. It doesn't say. Oh. It's also locked. That sucks. Let's see if the other side's open. That sucks. Because it looks great from the outside. I can imagine the inside's amazing. Well. Do. Whoa. I guess it's a hold this L moment on this one. Well, crap. I guess we need to get over to the live auction anyway. It is what it is. We'll go ahead and bust that down. But I wanted to get... Well, I guess this is kind of cool to finish up, but I would like to see the inside. Oh, well. All right, guys. That's going to do it. I know the walk-around portion was a little short today, and that's because I didn't have a lot of time before we got to get into the live auction, and you guys seem to like the combination of both. I'm going to try to do like one, maybe two just full dedicated walk-arounds that don't have the auction part in it. But you guys seem to like watching the bidding and watch people, you know, go at each other on these cars. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm thinking about adding some Mortal Kombat sounds, maybe even some graphics. We might make it fun. We might have to make it fun. But anyways. Thank you, ma'am.